12 simple ways to help your body look good. Your life expectancy depends on how you look after your body. Do you think you are a healthy person? For those who say yes, it is important to know that being healthy is not just about regular exercise and eating science. You do not have to spend a lot of money to go to the gym, hire a personal trainer, or buy organic food in the supermarket. There are many cheaper ways to do it outdoors. Get a good night's sleep, things that do not cost a cent but are very effective. Here are the best things you can do for yourself. Turn them into daily activities and watch for changes in your body. 1. Exercise. Exercise not only gives you a solid body, but also has a wealth of health benefits. Regular exercise helps fight disease, improve mood, help you sleep better, and control your weight. The Mayo Clinic, U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, should spend 150 minutes per week practicing medium-intensity activities such as walking, swimming, or 75 minutes per week for high-intensity activities. In addition, each week should have 2 days of toughness. This is exactly what you need to stay healthy. 2. Meditation. Meditation is never lacking in the list of things to do if you want to live healthily, live happily. Meditation helps regulate emotions, improve overall health. Meditation helps reduce stress, distress, anxiety, improve the immune system, the ability to focus as well as mood. Daily meditation is also proven to reduce the risk of heart disease. 3. Sleep. Sleep helps improve memory, fight infections, reduce stress, help control weight as well as emotional disorders. According to a study by the National Sleep Foundation, teenagers, 14-17 years, should sleep 8-10 hours per night, adults 7-9 hours, and older adults, over 65 years, -8 hours. 4. Drink lemon juice. Drink lemon juice every morning to help you detoxify, support the digestive system, bring white skin bright, cleanse the liver, improve mood. 5. Eat healthy. Eating healthy is important for the body to function properly. That means the body's intake of protein, high-quality carbohydrates, good fats for the heart, vitamins, minerals and water, reduced processed foods, saturated fats and alcohol. 6. Take the correct dose. If you are sick and have a prescription from a doctor, follow what is directed. According to a 2006 study, nearly 75% of Americans do not follow prescriptions. It has the effect of saving people, not something that hurts you. 7. Quit smoking. Smoking is bad for your health. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, cigarettes are the most preventable cause of death and disease in the United States. Every year, 480,000 Americans die from tobacco. 8. Drink plenty of water. Your mouth is dry? You feel tired? You have a headache? These are all signs of dehydration. The body will not be able to function properly without water. Water helps to maintain body temperature, reduce high blood pressure, prevent fainting, eliminate digestive disorders, and slow down the aging process. Not only that, water also helps to lose weight. According to the Natural Society, hunger is a sign that the body is in need of water. Therefore, Drink water first, and if you still feel hungry, eat. 9. Breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. According to information from the world's largest health portal, WebMD, many studies have found a link between breakfast and good health, such as improved memory and concentration, reduced levels of bad cholesterol, reduce the risk of obesity, heart disease. Starting a new day with a belly will help you start your metabolism and have plenty of energy. 10. Yoga. Try starting the day with yoga exercises to create a positive energy source for the day. Yoga has many effects on the body. Spiritually, yoga helps control stress. Physically, yoga helps with resistance to endurance, tightens muscles and maintains a balanced metabolism. 11. Brushing, flossing, rinsing. One of the best things you can do for yourself is to take care of your teeth. Remember to visit your dentist regularly and ensure flossing, brushing and rinsing your teeth every day. An unhealthy oral cavity can lead to facial damage, causing heart problems and digestive problems. 12. Go outdoors. Fresh air in the outdoors has a lot of effect on the body. Firstly, sun exposure promotes vitamin D synthesis, supports the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, and promotes healthy immune systems. Outdoor exercise is proven to help prevent heart disease, stroke and obesity.